to meet this afternoon to review the situation. The teachers are demanding a pay rise of up to 60%, which was initially proposed by their employer, but the government says it has no money to pay. Our reporter Sharon Wimani is at the Employment and Labour Relations Court, where leaders of the teachers union await direction on their case. Good afternoon, Sharon.
Yes, good afternoon, Najma. I am at the Milimani Law Court, where the joint teachers unions are expected to make an appearance here at the court at about 2:30 p.m. this afternoon to do what they say is to brief the court on what they will have decided, as well as seeking clarity on the ruling that was made at this court on Friday. Now, Najma, what the teachers are doing currently is they are meeting with their national advisors, that is the National Executive Council, to go over the ruling by Justice Obwotha Friday. And their biggest contention, they say, and insisting that they are in fact law-abiding citizens and bound by court orders, but they say that they cannot go and obey this ruling if the Teacher Service Commission does not withdraw the ongoing case, an active case at the Court of Appeal, where they are appealing the ruling that was made in July to have the teachers' pay rise increased by up to 50 to 60%. Now, the teachers are saying that they cannot obey the ruling that is seeking to have them form a conciliatory committee jointly with the TSC as well as with the Labour Ministry to have a committee that is neutral to all of them, which is agreeable with all of them, and over 90 days decide on how to, implement that court ruling. Now, the teachers' unions are saying that the two things, that is the active case against the ruling by the TSC that is set, in fact, to be had tomorrow, cannot happen at the same time as the conciliatory meetings with this ruling. So this is the conditions that they are setting to abide by the ruling that was made Friday. So what is happening now is they are meeting with the National Executive Council from the joint Kuppet and NAT unions, after which they will come here to the Labour Court to brief the court as well as to seek advice by the judge here, after which they will give an advice to national teachers across the country on what the stand of the ongoing strike is as of now. Yesterday, they told teachers to stay put, not to report back to class until they give them further advice, which is what they're set to do this afternoon. Now, we are following that up, Najma, and we'll keep you up to speed.